How to make a garden bench seat. There are various styles for garden benches. If you like the rustic look, you will enjoy making this garden bench seat. This bench seat can be made in one afternoon and will look fine in any setting. Think of making more than one and create multiple seating areas in your garden or on the deck. Things you will need: 2 large 3 stumps or cut firewood approximately 3 feet tall, 6 foot long by 2 to 3 foot wide barnwood or cedar plank, longwood screws, drill, circular saw, sander with medium grit sandpaper, measuring tape, stain and polyurethane optional. Level the ends of the tree stump or firewood logs with the circular saw. Make sure the stumps or logs are the same height. Place about 5 feet apart. Sand the top of the barnwood or cedar plank until smooth. Sand the edges to keep from getting splinters. Lay the barnwood or cedar plank across the top of the logs. Make sure the plank sticks out past the stumps. When it is in desired position, drill 2 wood screws into the top of the plank and down into the stumps. Stain and or polyurethane if desired. You will need 2 coats of stain and 3 coats of polyurethane over the entire seating surface. Tips warnings. Make a table in the same way. Use all safety precautions when using power equipment.